Join ForumIAS Academy, trusted by hundreds of toppers, including IAS Rank 1 Anudeep Durishetty, Shruti Sharma, and 𝐂𝐨𝐻.
Hello everyone, welcome to ForumIAS short series on public administration. In this series, we are covering important topic which we can see some glimpse for understanding the orientation of the concepts or interlinking of concepts. Right? The topic which I am taking today is bureaucracy before Max Weber. Bureaucracy before Max Weber. The timeline in which Max Weber wrote about bureaucracy is around 1915. Max Weber was born in Western Germany. He was specialized in Roman administration and medieval trading companies. Max Weber per se was highly influenced by one organization, that is Prussian army. Because the time in which Max Weber was living, Prussian army, it was considered to be a very successful organization which has achieved one important task, that was unification of Germany. Unification of Germany. See, that is why public administration is truly an interdisciplinary subject. Because for understanding concepts in this topic, what you need is kind of a proper command in other topics. For example, a little bit in economics, little bit in international history, little bit in world history, little bit in your management as well as in sociology. Right? So, when we read about Max Weber, we often see how he was influenced by this. And when he was writing on bureaucracy, it is thought that he was actually describing the structure of Prussian army. But in ancient China, in ancient India, specifically in China and India, take India case of Kautilya, right? And take China at one side, India at one side. In earliest time, we often see in ancient China, in Han Dynasty, we often find a full-fledged merit-based bureaucracy. Merit-based bureaucracy. That is kind of important information you need to note. Han Dynasty started a full-fledged merit-based bureaucracy in China, and obviously in India, in Mauryan administration, Kautilya, we all know how in his 𝐼𝐸𝐻 he gave a very detailed information about the bureaucracy which we were having. But in modern times, it is not Max Weber who wrote on bureaucracy for the first time. There are three thinkers in modern times only who wrote on bureaucracy before Max Weber, and many thinkers say that Max Weber when he describes bureaucracy, his work on bureaucracy, what he has done, he has simply compiled these thinkers. The first name is John Stuart Mill. The first name is John Stuart Mill, very famous political philosopher. He wrote one book. The name of book is Considerations of Representative Government. Remember this, Considerations of Representative Government. John Stuart Mill, in this book, that is Considerations of Representative Government, argues that bureaucracy means the work of government. Since it is work of government, neutrality principles should be followed. Bureaucracy must be merit-based. Politicians must not interfere in day-to-day working of bureaucracy. Not only this, John Stuart Mill even wrote on dangers of bureaucracy. For example, this term is very famous. Once someone is ruled by bureaucracy, it is very difficult to get rid of bureaucracy. John Stuart Mill also says this. The second thinker who wrote on bureaucracy before Max Weber, his name is Frederick Hegel, very famous philosopher. He wrote one book that is called Philosophy of Right. Philosophy of Right. The year is 1882. He argues that bureaucracy is there to realize the interest of a state. He sees bureaucracy from a very positive perspective, that bureaucracy represents the willness of a state. Bureaucracy serves will of a state, and Woodrow Wilson, an American thinker, was actually very much influenced by this thinker, that is Frederick Hegel. Woodrow Wilson was very much influenced by this thinker. He also argued for merit-based bureaucracy, hierarchy, authority with responsibility, which later on Max Weber compiles properly. And third thinker who wrote on bureaucracy, right? Third thinker who wrote on bureaucracy, his name is Karl Marx. The third thinker is Karl Marx. Although in a very negative way, but Karl Marx has not given a very detailed information on this. Only passing remarks he has written, that he argues that bureaucracy is a tool of exploitation which rich people uses for exploiting the poor people. So the basic idea is Max Weber may not be the originator of this concept, although this concept is very much associated with Max Weber, because the way he wrote that, the way he presented that, the detailed way on the detailed way which Max Weber followed, that was not followed by anyone. But remember that John Stuart Mill, Frederick Hegel and Karl Marx wrote on bureaucracy before Max Weber, but as a practice, obviously bureaucracy is very old. The case is Han Dynasty in China and Kautilya Arthashastra in India, right? So we'll stop here, and in a very detailed way we are covering this in class, right? Thank you for watching this lecture.